mirrors, non with of air condition. 5% of bamboo shoot. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is our house. Today we are going to do house tour. Okay, as you can see, our house is made up of 95% of bamboo. We are living here for almost 7 years, and it's a rented house. Okay, this is the first room. Let me open for you guys. Okay, this is the first room. As you can see, this is it. Okay, this is our TV. This TV है कुम्बंग जाता हमने कुम्सोम ने गाँव वेल चीता बिनते कुम्नी कुम्थुम ने मांग तलो कहिवा अजिक जो फोन ता कुमा TV इन पे तलो अबाना जिक चुना है अचुंग में ड्रेस का कोई लो फेक कोई जिही पिलो आहिता जिखा गैस के इधर लोग खोलाए लेंगो ही लोग गिग नो मोहिले तुरा लगे फावल एक मोड तेरे एक मोड ड्यूटी ना है मैं ही वा and अचुंग नाम को इन ले उचुन you can see this non with of air condition AC ngai lo full of AC. Okay, I'm gonna solve this side again. Oh ibima hey and we got a small pillows and train bags zo hoting kong ma ji drawer ma ta ka hi trolley de ko te hi ko van dim sia da ma ta ki van gan hi. So here we have some mirrors. Mirror to dressing table ka ne yu chu hi anoi hi bang ma ta lo ken le ke khao na le kuma ta ma. Okay, I'll show you this side again. Yeah, let me show you last night that. And here we got one special almira van koina mo ji le ko wu ala Baite mo ama avan ho ama he jing di mo the avan ka koyo hi ji avan ching hi le apusal ten tu malam kha hongnung pi go hi ko koi ho moi ta ka hi do aki hong thei pung e so de ka tile cha bi dik lo zo de dan o where is the chabi oi chabi hi ompo cái hong thei chân là cái hong thei là có ti here cái sao đó mày có nên nôm ấy team mấy thế là học vào tất cả hi bag số thì ama van ho dim jing oma rồi hi cái memento le oma ji bible kala ji zo na kyo ko chum ten memento le pi khoi ma ji hi khuda bible kala ji zo ai cho henai lo te khan no le ki ji zo ji ge hi ala ji zo tang ti chu pathin thu le hingai ta sanam le hingai mo khawer kim na lai kha board we have to board. So I keep my memento here. So I go oven gan hi ta ji le ma van king to ho ma vera hi ma van hi ama head de mo ji ka koyo adang ho van kuma lo hi ke memento ti lo ma van hi ma head de mo koyo ta so lam ni sa ka ten ti le lam rom hi ki chai te di ma full of air condition. Right. Okay. Ji le na ka van ka sang the ka koi kha hi ta to ka hi kieng to khen kha au ma to ka hi puna ka ti pun sik ma anaw te kha lo kha ting tang chi ve ga ma room de dan chu ka sim le ke van ngan pasal te van chu tom ta me te van phung ke van ngan hi ta ji ta ka hi It's a teddy bear, a big. This boy is very big. Anay no pasal neta. That's why only keeping here. Okay, let's go to the next room, okay? Kamzauta kavanle sangal di kahi. How's my dress, guys? Comment down below. This is my water tanky. Let's see. No water. No water. And let's enter. Here here ka living room. I hit that na ji lam sai khu kitchen. We'll show you, okay? Okay. Zia here katibo mo. Ising pani here keep. And here also keep. Here sabji puri is have. Have one thai ka koyu jo to hi kya pai mo. To hi stool uma to hi stool ka koyu. So this one is the calendar and this is the dining table. Now I'm gonna show you the side again. And drinking water. Here is the kung ho thega koyo the abang khat dekha. Chima dega koyo adang chu no ta cho. Te mai ka kung le tom ba to. And this is the cooking stuff. This is the induction is have. The gas bang karata. The kami hon, jo kami kabuhon. Dang bang le am tana. Tui sara de le tala ki om dio. Ne du lo le chu tui vat thai la don thai. Oh. Then let's go that side. Ta hi chu common room, living room monga nei po mo. We don't have common room and living room. We just keep this bench here, and if there's any guests, they're gonna sit here. If they want to leave, jan kharagi no mole tura lup deo. Okay, this is my room. This is my bed. If you want, you can sleep here like this. And this is my table. I'm gonna sort this side, and this is some stuff I keep here. Hey, this is a mattress for our guests. If you come in my house, you are going to sleep. This is my one coinas. This is it. Do you want to see? Okay. One coina. This I love jeans. Because of that, I am collecting very many jeans. This is my collection of jeans, and this here coat. This is my Sunday dress. Sunday dress tema. Ano yahi? Jiram side he ni kata lang hotoka kula toka dito chunga he toka pal deute dito ile t-shirt asum kole dim set. Here we got another side, and ji nampun pun chente ka koina he niklo pun chente amala mai he do the my makeup box. This is my makeup box, and this is pun chen to tissue to dang tale pun chen ko ya nui khui le chu to kapal de khai chu van tam le ki hau lo pi ja choi he kane khanam pun te mo anu ta chung so da makeup to my bed. This is my bed. And These are all my shoes. I don't know what song they are singing right now. Kam ka check chuku. La chu sahib and just keep my shoes this like this and is my shoes you just keep okay. They are singing songs right now. Dang te chu box ka koi je lama dang chu ti koi le. Koi ne diam lo mo koi me. Zo ji a hi le kan kam le. Thang tin lien le a he ji. Azo ji te hi le ka masalam pega ka tu beans ho kha hi kek ta azo ji khu an mal cha ma ka tu te ka hong hing dok ta wa azo ban pen hi le le tips ka tu hi hong hing sel sel ta ke pa ka mai ban hing dim to sap the ka tu. Now we are going to end the video and you know that 95% of bamboo is made of our house and 5% of food. Hila anon thau thau ma inju in a hi family ikima lung ki tu ta yum kha in no ma hi mai hi in building adu da ha to pi ka ngai po ki chu. Just a family. What I want is a family, a great family, a supportive family. It's a hima ka tai. Nek la chak inia ine dam tak sial tak yuma. Bikai mai ke like kha. No ngai da le comment lang ma. And kapau hi da clear lo mai thei mo jiu chu ka lai chom talon tin. I have a short tongue. See up to this much because of that my words cannot come out clearly. This is it and some color chole some color le ning ko ha complete checho complete blue color hi to green suta dry but scale out the some if you look see or some didn't bleach jen tang see ta so le hopu ka some mile to color he na ko sapu ka sang ki de have black is the best, I guess. Okay, now we are going to end our vlog, and please, if you are not subscribing my channel, please subscribe for a little challenge. And anyway, okay, bye, see you. That's all for today. I made a whole washing machine but washing machine chu kamo ko ita fridge hi washing machine hi TV ki mo ko ita ki mang ka lo ma to ko mo ko ita ho chok no lang ki chok jing